Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this simple part of the note in FreeCAD. Okay, let's start. We create a new file, create a new body, create a new sketch. Then we select X, Y plane. Okay, next we create hexagon. Make dimensions 20. Add the hole. We need to create a circle. Dimension 6, 8, 6. Okay, we finish the sketch. Leave the sketch. Then we pipe dimension tab 10 mm and we need select symmetrical to play. Okay. We select this to edge. Hold Ctrl, select to edge. Then we chamfer to edge. 1 mm chamfer. Okay. Next, we need to chamfer the node outside edge. Usually we use the revolution to create the chamfer, but in this part we need use pad to create the chamfer. Let me see. Use the pad chamfer. Okay. We need to select this face and create a sketch on this face. Create a sketch. External geometry. We select this edge and create a circle. Then construct tangent. Add a circle. Make dimension. Okay, leave the sketch. Then we select pad. Pad, oh sorry, not pad, pocket. We need add the angle. So the angle age 45, let's say 8 or 38. I need to change 60 angle. Okay, this chamfer is very fast and simple, easy. So you need to use this pocket. Create the chamfer. Okay. Next, we select pocket and middle. Select the X, Y plane. Okay. Next, we need to create the helix. So create a new sketch. Select XZ plane. External geometry. We need to select the circle and another circle. Okay, create sketch. Make two edge equal. Constraint angle 60. Dimension 1 millimeter. And the dimension 1.2. Okay, leave the sketch. Here, then we select subject helix. Z, and select the model's page height and page 1.75, height 25. Okay. Okay, we finished it. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.